How to delete photos from Google Photos without affecting them from your phone. This tutorial shows you how to safely remove photos from Google Photos only on your Android device. First, open your browser on your Android device. This can be Chrome or Samsung Internet. After that, type in photos.google.com in the address bar and tap Go. From there, make sure you are signed in to the correct Google account. At this point, since this is the web version of Google Photos, it only shows photos that are backed up to your account and does not have access to the photos stored locally on your phone. In the next step, browse through your photos and find the ones you want to delete from Google Photos. Following this, tap and hold on a photo to enter selection mode and tap on any other photos you want to delete. Once done, tap on the bin or delete icon to remove the selected photos from Google Photos. From here, the photos will be moved to the trash folder and will be permanently deleted after 60 days. At this stage, if you want to permanently delete them right away, tap on the bin icon from the menu. Finally, tap Empty Trash to permanently remove them from Google Photos while your original photos remain safely stored on your phone. And that's it. If this guide helped you delete photos from Google Photos without affecting your phone storage, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.